Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your password on Yahoo Mail. So let's get started. Now, in the first step, log into your Yahoo Mail account, for example, using your Google account. And once you're inside your inbox, guys, simply click on your profile name in the top right corner. And from the drop-down menu, click on account info here. So guys, if you haven't done that yet, Yahoo Mail will ask you on the next page automatically whether you'd like or not to create a new password. So you can do that here or skip this and do this later if you like by clicking I'll do this later here. And after that, you will be automatically redirected to your account's settings. Here, select security here at the top. After that, scroll down a bit on the next page, and here to the right, you will see that section password. Here you can create or change a password by clicking on that button here to the right. That will pop up this window here where you'll be given the opportunity to create a completely new password if you haven't done it yet, or to change your already existing password to a new one. So guys, that's basically it. Simply type in your new password here, confirm it, and that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.